I also wanted to ask, I was curious how you went about actually building the app. So did you hire a team or did you use an agency or freelancers? What was that experience like? And what were the pros and cons? What were the frustrations?
I think we tried all of it, all of the above. We tried all of the above because initially when we wanted to build the app, we were getting cost that wasn't pocket friendly as we were bootstrapping. So we had to outsource from Asian country and Africa country to be able to get people to build the app for us, just for us to cut costs as we were still bootstrapping. So we used all avenues that we can use just to build the app.
How long did it take you to sort of get to a level where you felt you were ready to launch?
I think it took us more than a year. It took us more than a year because we were able to utilize our landing page for a long time. So it took us more than a year to say we are ready to launch the app. So it took us more than a year.
And had you worked with sort of product and development teams before? What was that experience like?
I think the experience is priceless. I think the good part of it is because I had a QA test background. I don't know it hard, but I think that was able to help me to maintain my cool every day, to deal with the developers every day. And originally I was kind of do some testing for them. And I clap my hands out because I feel like it will get to me more. So, but I think with that, I'm able to do the day-to-day running of overseeing the product. Because sometimes I look at it from a user's perspective, which I've had experience before me working in the corporate world, testing people's website. And I think I was able to use or borrow that experience to say, okay, if I'm testing as a user and I'm also testing as in-house tester to see the functionality of the product and if it's working as it should. I think those are some of the things that help me in terms of overseeing the product. And outside of that, working with the team, I think if probably I didn't have experience of working with team, it would have been a lot challenging because I'm a very quiet person. Sometimes I hardly say what's on my mind because I don't want to step on people's toes. But me having that experience, I'm able to deal with people every day with our daily task because we do daily stand-up every day because that was part of the experience I used to have doing daily stand-up and working in sprint in agile kind of environment. So, and those are the things that I had adopted into our work environment to be able to deal with team every day to oversee the product. So that's one of the things. So thank you.
Yeah, that's really great.